everybody, it's Nick from Massepoint Digital. I'm sitting in Orlando at InfoComm and the Almo Pro AV booth. I'm pretty excited because I've got Cory Allen from the newly branded LinkLab group. So first off, Cory, tell me what LinkLab is, because I think people might know you all as under a different name.
Right. Yeah, so LinkLab is the services division of the organization. So we've been around for 8 years. I've been with the team for 5 years, and we've gone through a complete rebrand to help better focus and intentionally kind of showcase to our customers, this is what we're all about. So we wanted to create a unique brand that really delivered, like, this is what we do, here's the outcomes that we drive, attaching that into the greater organization.
So I'm told there's some new products and some new service offerings. So talk to me about where you're going with these new features.
Right, yeah, so one of the big things that we're currently working on is a unique partnership with one of our best install companies that we've worked with for years. It's a company called Ion Visual Solutions, and they tackle basically all the complexities of DV LED on the install and commission side. So we're now branding and focusing our effort in direct LED in partnership, in conjunction with Ion Visual Solutions. So it's
Almo Pro AV everything, but it's all powered by Ion Visual Solutions.
We're really excited about the unique partnership that we have with them. There's certain advantages that we get, obviously, reseller pricing, priority on projects and deployments. And of course, we have, the backing of the engineering and the upfront mechanics, and everything that they do is all about deployment.
So talk to me from a dealer perspective. What's the value? Why would you implore a dealer to come in and try this service?
Yeah, I think the big thing for us is specifically around direct LED is that every single one of the systems is uniquely different, and it's really tough for our integration partners to really get accustomed to just one system, let alone 7 or 8 that they may be exploring. So with us, we have the unique expertise in the fact that these are systems that not only from a hardware perspective that we deliver on, but then we also have the power behind the installation and commissioning services to where our customers don't need to be the experts. They don't need to ramp up on that knowledge base. They don't need to go get certified. They can deploy the projects. We do it on their behalf. So really for us, we look at it as like one hand to shake, one throat to choke. You can get everything from us, from the engineering support to the product to the deployment. It all lives with us, and it's all value that we can bring to our customer base.
And will this be covering a multitude of LED manufacturers?
Multitude. So certified throughout many manufacturers. And for the ones that we're not, there's expertise built into those as well. So we could really, any direct LED solution, we could pretty much deploy.
All right, you heard it here first, folks. So Cory, how do people engage with LinkLab? How do they connect with you and the team?
Yeah, I would say go to linklabservices.com, number one. There's a contact us page on there as well. It showcases our SDMs, so our service development managers, which there's 3. So you can reach out to those guys at any time.
Cory, listen, thank you so much for coming over and having a chat with me. This has been another stop by Massepoint Digital at InfoComm 2025.